Okay, so today we're going to make the Pina Colada Shake. Now I've got a number of core ingredients here, so I'll just go over a few of the health benefits of each of them. We've got the pineapple today. So pineapple is actually full of vitamin C and it aids digestion, boosts your immunity and fights inflammation. Next we've got the coconut oil. So coconut, while it's high in fat, and we're only using a little bit today, it does contain a number of trace minerals that are really important for your health. Then we've got the core ingredient, of course, which is the Isagenix IsaLean Shake. So today we're going to be using the vanilla shake. There's a number of health benefits associated with this. So it's soy and gluten-free, it's low GI, it contains a whole heap of fibre and trace minerals. And basically it's just a really good weight loss aid. So today we're going to use that in the Pina Colada Shake. Okay, so now I've got all the ingredients prepared, so I'll just throw them in the shaker here. So I'll just start with the pineapple. With this particular recipe, it's about half a cup. So I do recommend using frozen pineapple, that way you can just put it in the freezer the night before and it's already chopped up. So just take about half a cup there, put that one in. Oh, a bit more. Now with the coconut oil, it's just a very small amount, so it's just about 1/4 of a teaspoon. So let's put that in there. You really don't need too much for that particular flavour. I usually like to use 2 ice cubes. You can use more or less if you prefer. And then we've got the Isagenix shake. So as I mentioned, this is the vanilla shake. If you are using the sachets, then use the full sachet. If you are using the canisters, then it's actually 2 level scoops of the shake mix. So I'll put that one in. All that's left is the water. Now the water is, it's really up to you how much you want to use. As you can see, I've filled it up about halfway. If you do want it a little bit thicker and creamier, just use a little bit less water. If you prefer your shakes a little bit sort of runnier, then just use a little bit more water. Just do the lid up nice and tight. And put it in the blender for about 15 seconds. There we go, just a little bit of a mix, take the lid off. And there you have a nice Pina Colada shake in about 2 minutes.